Are you tired of your garage door opener failing at the worst possible times? It might be time to consider a change. A typical garage door opener lasts between 10 and 15 years. So if yours is 20 years old, it's already on borrowed time. Inconsistent performance, loud noises, and slow response times are all signs that your opener is on its last legs. Older models lack modern safety features like rolling code technology and automatic reversal sensors, putting your home at risk. Frequent repairs can add up quickly, costing you more in the long run than simply upgrading to a new model. A new garage door opener, including installation, typically ranges from $300 to $600, offering a more cost-effective solution. Upgrading to a new opener means enhanced safety, quieter operation, and smart home integration for added convenience. Newer models are also more energy efficient, saving you money on electricity bills over time. And with battery backup systems, you'll never be left stranded during a power outage. Don't let an outdated garage door opener disrupt your life any longer. Upgrade now for a smoother, safer, and more reliable experience.